Here I have Honor 6X and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here you have to tap Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and simply choose About Phone. Afterwards, you need to find the build number and let's tap a couple of times on this number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back and here you can choose developer options under advanced settings. So now you can use all the developer features. For example, you can enable OEM unlocking by choosing enable. You can also enable USB debugging, tap OK to allow USB debugging, and you can also select mock location app. You can enable view attribute inspection and a lot of more. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.